In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the maximum participants displayed in Zoom. If you love running larger meetings or classes and want to see more faces at once in gallery view, this quick adjustment will make a big difference. Start by opening Zoom in your web browser and signing into your account. In the upper right corner, click your profile picture to open your account menu. That opens the door to all of your account level options. From that menu, choose Settings. We're heading to the place where Zoom controls how video appears in your meetings and webinars. When the settings page loads, look along the left side and select Meetings and Webinars. This section collects the visual and interaction options that shape what you and your participants see. It's the right spot for changing how many video tiles appear on your screen during live sessions. Next, find the Participant Video section. Here, look for the option that controls the maximum number of participants shown per screen in gallery view. Change this to 49 participants. That tells Zoom to display up to 49 video tiles on a single screen when your device can handle it. In many accounts, this change saves automatically. If you see a Save button, confirm the update so it sticks. A few helpful notes so you get the best results. The 49 participant layout depends on your computer's capabilities and screen size. If your device or display resolution is limited, Zoom may cap the grid at 25 tiles instead, even after you enable the higher setting. For the full 49, make sure your Zoom app is up to date. Maximize the Zoom window during a meeting, and use a monitor with enough resolution, typically full HD or higher. If the option doesn't appear, update the desktop client and check Zoom's system requirements for gallery view. Once you've made the change, you'll see the impact the next time you're in a meeting. Switch to gallery view and, as more people join, Zoom will fill the grid up to the limit your system supports. If the grid feels cramped, try enlarging the window or using a larger display. Also keep in mind that webinars behave a bit differently than meetings, and mobile devices show fewer tiles per screen. That's it. With your profile menu, the settings page, the meetings and webinars section, and the participant video option set to 49, you're ready to see more of your audience at a glance and run smoother, more engaging sessions.